When did you turn so cold? You cut me down to the bone. Now you're dancing all over my soul. Falling to pieces, to pieces, to pieces. But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So
I'm Catherine Joy Punzalan, a former OFW nurse from Saudi Arabia for 13 years.
John Gonzalez, isang OFW nurse.
I am Ana Pelago, OFW sa Japan for 4 years.
Ella Aguilar, a former OFW from Taiwan in 6 years.
Ella Santiago, a former OFW from Japan for 4 years. I'm Teresa Manansala, former OFW for 3 years. And because of Elite's Empire, just 1 month, kumita agad ako ng 101,200.
5 million in 2 years.
2 million pesos in just 1 year. 203,500 in just 28 days. Earn ng 101,000 as one.
I earned 143,000. In my second month, 280,000. And in my third month, 500,000. Na never been experience sa loob ng 6 years ko sa Taiwan. Because of Elite's Empire, nauwi po ako
For good.
riding my dream car.
Ito, yung community magsasabi sa'yo na magaling ka na kaya ulit. Yung dating kasulong, because of Elite's Empire, nag-transform ako. Yung ikaw ang naging tulay para mabuo ulit yung family ko.
us to stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. Take me take me
Kung may message ka kay Elite's Empire, ano yun?
It's Empire, grabe. Thank you so much. You gave me the strength, the more courage to pursue, to become greater, to become stronger. Kasi I get to meet people na kaya ko palang tulungan. Dati akala ko family ko lang, I can help in terms of money, lifesaver. Kung di dahil sa Elite's Empire, ewan ko, katulong pa rin siguro ako sa Hong Kong na di alam anong purpose, anong kayang gawin sa mundong ito. But because of you, I have this purpose na kayang gawin. Thank you so much and I love you.
Sobrang full of gratitude ang puso ko. Di dahil sa iyo, Elite's Empire, sure ako na nasa Taiwan pa rin ako, OFW pa rin ako. Hindi ko na-experience yung buhay ko na to because of you, Elite's Empire. Ikaw yung nagpa-realize sa akin na, missing sa akin na, hoy Ella, may pangarap ka din para sa sarili mo, hindi lang para sa family mo. Sobrang thank you so much, Elite's Empire. Hindi mo lang ako tinawid sa pagiging OFW ko, kundi binago mo all aspect ko. Binago mo in terms sa mind ko. Sa mo lang ginising yung pangarap ko, but nigyan mo ko ng buhay. Someone na hopeless na sa pangarap. Pero ikaw, Elite's Empire, ikaw yung lights ko. Ikaw yung ilaw ko na nagsisilbi talaga na liwanag sa buhay ko. Kaya thank you so much, Elite's Empire.
You saved my life. Elite's Empire saved my life. There is a purpose kung bakit ako naging government employee. There's a purpose kung bakit ako naging OFW. Ito pala yon na ako pala yung magiging light para ibigay sa inyo or iparating sa inyo na there is Elite's Empire for you para makuha din kung ano yung nanais niyo sa buhay. Sobrang thankful ko. Hindi ko ma-express yung sarili ko how much gratitude, how much thankful, how much I'm blessed. Sorry. Yan ko lang talaga naranasan yung
sobrang saya na kasama mo yung family. Hindi ko naranasan for 13 years. Wala talagang time freedom. Oo, may pera sa abroad, pero yun nga, hindi mababayaran ng pera yung oras para sa pamilya mo at saka hindi mo na talaga maibabalik. Kaya sobrang thankful ko kasi nga talagang hindi pa huli yung lahat at kayang-kaya ko pang bumawi sa family ko, lalong-lalo na sa anak ko.
I love you so much. Yun nga, you saved my life. Parang ikaw pa lang yung pinaka nag-love sa akin ng ganito. Elite's Empire, thank you. Sa iba, hindi ako naging enough. But here, sobra-sobra pa ang naipafeel mo sa akin. Kaya, thank you. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I love you.